approved in language arts. Congratulations. Tony Xiong, the Art Award and Achievement in Math. Justin Zickafoos, outstanding effort in math and achievement in language arts. Cody Sink, an A average in social studies, all A's in language arts. Courtney Conley, Principal's Award. Citizenship Award. These students were chosen by the staff. They voted on students who exhibit exceptional character at all times. These students are honest, they're hardworking, they're trustworthy, they're loyal, they care, they're kind, they're responsible, they're fair, and they're respectful. When I call your name, will the following students please come up front and remain up front to receive the Citizenship Award? Also, right after the ceremony, I'm going to need these individuals to gather in the courtyard because we will be taking a group photo to put on a plaque for the Citizenship Award. Haley Adkins. Ronnie Dawson, who's not here to accept it. Anastasia Fitzsimmons. Asia Kalamaika. Jackie Song. And finally, Dominic Wyrick. Can you give one more round of applause to the
If I could, then I would. I go wherever you will go. When you're by or down low, I go wherever you will go. Maybe I find out a way to make it back someday. To want you, to guide you through the darkest on your days. If I wait a wish I fall, and I fall off on the song, when I hold that song.